Welcome to today's culinary journey where we explore the world of luxury ingredients that elevate your dining experience to new heights. From gold leaf to saffron, Wagyu beef, and rare truffles, these ingredients aren't just about taste. They're symbols of exclusivity, craftsmanship, and prestige. But what makes these ingredients so valuable? And how can we incorporate them into exquisite meals? Let's dive in and find out. First, gold leaf. First on our list is perhaps the most visually stunning, edible gold leaf. Historically used in royal banquets, gold leaf doesn't have much flavor, but it adds a glittering touch of opulence to desserts, cocktails, and even savory dishes. Gold is incredibly rare, and the labor-intensive process of transforming it into ultra-thin, edible sheets contributes to its high cost. Today, we'll add a touch of gold leaf to our dessert, a decadent chocolate mousse, and see how it transforms a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece. Second, saffron. Next, we have saffron, known as red gold. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, and here's why. Each saffron thread is hand-harvested from the crocus flower, and it takes about 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron. Its deep, earthy aroma and brilliant golden hue bring a unique richness to dishes. Today, we'll use saffron to create a luxurious risotto. The spice infuses the rice with an exquisite flavor and beautiful color. Let's add just a few precious strands, as a little saffron goes a long way. Third one, Wagyu beef. Now we move on to Wagyu beef, a world-renowned luxury meat known for its unmatched tenderness and marbling. Wagyu cattle are raised with exceptional care in Japan, with some farmers even giving their cows massages and special diets to ensure the best quality. This meticulous process is what drives up the price. Today, I'll show you how to prepare a simple seared Wagyu steak that lets the beef's natural flavors shine. With this exquisite piece of meat, less is more. Just a light seasoning and a quick sear to preserve its melt-in-your-mouth texture. Fourth, truffles. Finally, we arrive at the jewel of the culinary world, truffles. These underground fungi are so rare that they're often hunted by specially trained dogs. The rarity, combined with their unique earthy flavor, makes them a highly sought-after ingredient. Truffles come in several varieties, but the black and white truffles are the most prized. Today, we're adding fresh shavings of white truffle to a creamy pasta dish, letting its robust, aromatic flavor be the star. As you can see, cooking with these luxury ingredients is all about respecting their rarity and enhancing their natural qualities. Whether it's the golden shimmer of edible gold leaf, the delicate aroma of saffron, the richness of Wagyu beef, or the earthy allure of truffles, each of these ingredients brings something truly special to the table. While they may come with a high price tag, the experience of creating and enjoying such an exquisite meal is priceless. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the most expensive ingredients. I hope you feel inspired to bring a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Until next time, if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us for more culinary adventures and gourmet tips. See you next time.